Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today two of my friends have planned to go out for cycling. So we have planned for like 40 kilometers. Damn! Yes, 40 kilometers on cycle. So this is my third day. So first day I did like 35 kilometers, second day I did 38 kilometers. So today I'll be planning to do 40 kilometers. So I'm just loving it. It's a new hobby which I've started. So I thought of like showing you the uh, the north side of Bangalore actually. I'm just loving this place. Yeah, beautiful weather, nice greenery, nice village around, yeah, and I think that's the place like I really was looking out for to start this new hobby cycling. So I don't want to waste your time. Let's hop on the cycle. Alright guys, introducing you to Captain Chari Ashwin. He's also a senior captain flying with Indigo. So, well, a short brief of our group. This group was formed by Captain Aditya Huda. He's a captain with Indigo. So the group name is Aviators Biking Club. So the captains and the pilots, they're junior first officers, whomsoever are based in Bangalore. We all ride together. So that's how we got connected, and I'm very new to cycling, and Mr. Chari have advised me which cycle to get start off with. So I'm riding a Phantom City Rider Plus. You can get this cycle for like 20,000-25,000 if I'm not wrong. And Mr. Chari Ashwin have bought a brand new cycle. I'll give you a cinematic shot of it, and Captain Chari will be explaining about his cycle. He bought this cycle for 50k, 50 grand. It's an amazing cycle, man. Seriously. ये यहाँ बेचती थी यार अमरूद तो।
कहाँ रुक गया बे? कहाँ रुक गया तू? क्यों रुक गया? आपके लिए? अबे चलते रहे तू।
ये अमरूद है ना यहाँ पे? हेलो अन्ना।
అమ్ముతా ఉన్నాము హాఫ్ కిలో ఇస్తాము హాఫ్ కిలో ఎన్ని వస్తుంది అని కట్ చేసి కవర్లో వేసిస్తాము కట్ చేసి
హాఫ్ కిలో 50 రూపాయలు తీసుకుంటున్నారా?
హాఫ్ కిలో 30
చిల్లర ఉందా?
ఆ?
500 చిల్లర
ఇప్పుడు పోనీ 5 రూపీస్ చేసి తీసుకోండి.
కాదు నేను కేరళకి అంతా పోయి వచ్చిన సుల్తాన్ బత్తరి అక్కడ అంతా పోయినా
No, no, no.
సార్ ನೋಡಿ సార్ ఏమో
वो चारी भैया what is asking? हाँ अन्ना ఏం అడిగారు?
సుల్తాన్ బత్తరి కేరళ కണ്ണూరు అక్కడ అంతా పోయి వచ్చిన నేను అని చెప్తా
I
ఉన్నాను
went to a lot of places in
Oh, nice.
ఫాస్ట్ ఉంటారు సార్.
Alright guys, we have just taken a small halt to have this fresh guava. So this is our daily spot. We come and we have some fun here. These are really fresh. Put some masala on it. Yeah.
How's the chari bhaiya? So good so far. So far so good.
How's it?
Amazing bro.
Amazing, huh?
Under the beauty of countryside.
Fresh, no?
Fresh as well. Beauty of countryside.
తీసుకుందరు
Do they take Google Pay?
గూగుల్ పే లేదు సార్
లేదా
Ah,
కొండమ్మా
they're taking, huh? Google Pay, no.
అది ఉంటే బాగుంటాయి. నో ఒకటి వదిలేసండి.
సరే సార్
3 కోసి ఇచ్చేయండి ఒకటి. అమ్మ మీరు రండి అమ్మా.
సార్ నాకంటే ఒకటి చెప్పొచ్చు మేము మిమ్మల్ని చూసేదే కష్టమే సార్
అలా ఏంటి ఏం లేదన్న. నా దీనిలోనే ఒకటి తీసుకో.
Alright guys, so when they heard that we have pilots, so they wanted to take a picture with us. So yeah, just see the...
థ్యాంక్ యూ నా. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
సార్ ఇంకోటి
Thank you.
తీసుకుంటా ఉండండి
Okay, ma, bye-bye. Bye.
So they have a signboard which lists the different codes.
Okay.
From what I can read, you have cricket, swimming, shooting, squash, badminton, basketball. If my site is not mistaken, it's volleyball as well.
Okay.
That's a hell lot of sports. And to the farthest distance of my eye,
Everything except cycling.
exactly, I can at least see 5 buildings inside.
Okay.
Focus over there. If you can focus in the farthest distance, you can see the dome of the swimming pool. Nice. That's a lot of sports, man. Padukone Dravid Center for Sports Excellence. Got a lot of fun.
Thanks.
Hey, thanks, sir. Devare Deva.
So guys, finally we have taken a halt. So Sahil, how much kilometers we have covered by now?
Bro, we must have covered about 17 kilometers.
From our home, no?
Another 2 to go, then 15-minute nice water break, and
Okay.
then I think 18 kilometers back again.
Sahil, tell me about you, yaar. I mean, tell me about you and your cycle. How when you started?
So, bro, obvious, we are from Indigo. So, bro, I got into cycling about 2 months back, and so I initially went for a non-geared one. I thought workout ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, which was true. It's an effort, but I couldn't do more than 20 kilometers on that. This one I got about 2 weeks back. It's a Firefox Crusader,
Okay.
and it has a nice combination of 3-7 gears. But and yeah, I've been yesterday I touched my maximum of 50 kilometers in a day.
Wow.
And it was not at all tiring on this.
Okay,
But I
nice.
cannot imagine the horror of doing it on a non-geared one. It's a
Nice.
funky color, and yeah, it's the visibility is too good.
Okay. So me and you are having a beginner cycle, right? I mean, this is a good cycle to start off with.
Yes, it's
cycling.
a very good cycle to start off with.
And
Because
how much the price for this?
So I got it for about 27, all included.
Okay.
If you move on to the intermediate ones, they'll cost you starting 45,000.
Okay.
Like our Captain Chari has got it.
Yep. Sorry, sir. So can you please give me a short brief of your cycle?
Cycle?
Yep.
Okay, so this is called the Bergamot Sweep 3i.
Okay.
So this is a German made. I'm sure you must be aware of these companies, these high-end companies called Scott.
Yeah.
So this happens to be the sister concern of Scott. So this is a carbon fiber frame.
Okay.
Like the usual steel or mixed hybrid kind of material made in market these days.
Okay.
So the entire weight of the frame, if you see I'm just lifting with 2 fingers.
Wow.
It's hardly 11 kilos.
Whoa.
It's a little north of 11
Beautiful.
kilos. I would say 11.5 at the most.
Uh-huh.
And the drivetrain is powered by a Shimano Altos.
Okay.
So you have 3 gears in the drivetrain and 8 in the cassette.
Okay.
So if you shave off 3 in each set of the drivetrain, you get 5 into 3, 15 combinations of gear.
Okay.
Mostly you have the lower end gears for the uphill
Uphill,
terrains and for the higher speeds and so on and so forth. This the maximum speed I've touched is 54 kilometers per hour.
Beautiful.
That was again on a downhill. I'm still an amateur cyclist. Thanks to the guy who's dancing like a snake over there. He's the reason why I got into
He
cycling.
was the reason I got into the cycling group. He was too lazy to do
And
it.
you both are the reason why I got into cycling.
We had to sell our cycle to someone.
Thank
all
you.
in all, yeah. This
Okay.
is also powered by 2 disc brakes here, which is hydraulically actuated this. I recently came to know
Beautiful.
after buying this.
After buying the cycle, okay.
This was, suggested to me by our cult leader, Captain Aditya.
Aditya
Huda.
Huda, sir. Okay.
So he's the one who suggested this.
Beautiful. Yeah, nice cycle, sir.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
This is your Phantom City Rider Plus, again, like the name suggests. So this is a cross between a MTB and a hybrid.
Okay.
So if you see, our friend Sahil has a MTB bike, which is having shocks. Yeah, it's a Firefox Crusader. So you have the shock absorbers and the tires of a kind of a roadster. I would say the roadster
It's
bikes.
hybrid between the road bike and
yeah.
MTB.
So MTB Roadster, but again the tires are again wider than the Roadster, and you have the Shimano, again one of the leading manufacturer of your gear set and your chains, and you have a setting of 8x3, again 24 settings of gears, but again you would be using hardly 15 of them, and I would say this would weigh somewhere in between 15 to 17 kgs, which
Okay.
is good for a beginner level, entry level cycling. And the best part about your cycle is you have dual, disc brakes,
Okay.
which are not hydraulically actuated, but yeah, mechanical linkages should suffice.
Okay.
That's the job.
Okay.
Yeah. And with your modifications, I can see headlight, which requires some improvement.
But you can definitely do with this.
Yeah. You have a funny bell,
Okay.
then you have the phone holder, and yeah, what I liked is you have the computer.
Computer.
You have a odometer in this, time, odometer, distance to go, distance measuring equipment. So this I kind of like it. So which is connected to a magnetic.
It's down there.
Yeah. So if you can zoom in on this, so there's a magnet on your spoke. Yeah, there it is. So this, whenever it kind of matches each other, a magnetic field is produced, and the time delay in between both of that gives you the speed, just a basic distance into time kind of a calculation. So that's how you get your meter. So I kind of like that which you have.
Okay.
Otherwise, all in all, it's a good bike.
Okay. Thank you very much, Ari sir. Thank you very much. So guys, finally we have reached our destination. We have done with our cycling for the day. We have covered 40 kilometers. It was a great day with two of my best friends here. Next time I'll be covering up with the whole group. Actually, many of them are flying. As I said, it's a group of all of aviators. So many of them are flying. So we three of them just made a plan and made a plan of cycling today. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Stay tuned. If you like this vlog, please kindly reach me on Instagram. Show some love. Thank you very much. Have a safe day. Bye bye.